Heather Estates 55 plus senior community. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2 bathrooms 2-car covered carport. Shows like new, open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, kitchen with center island, breakfast nook, desk area, lots of cabinets and countertops for cooking and storage space, bay window. Large living room with gas fireplace to stay warm and cozy on those cold nights. Large master bedroom with 2 separate closets, 1 walk-in closet for his and hers. Master bathroom with dual vanity sinks and step-in shower stall. 2 guest bedrooms with nice size closets. Hallway has extra cabinetry for linens. Guest bathroom with shower tub combo. Inside laundry room with door to the exterior carport. Many upgrades from Pergo flooring, window coverings, 3 remote control ceiling fans, 6 total ceilings fans throughout the home. Covered front porch to enjoy the fresh air and covered carport with a ramp for easy access to side door. The backyard storage shed is great for extra storage, garden tools or workshop area. Chain link fenced area for your pet. Newer AC Approx 3 years old, newer exterior paint Approx 3 years old. Clubhouse offers pool, spa, library, billiard room, shuffleboard, exercise.